Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to talk about HTML images. In our previous tutorial I mentioned and discussed HTML links. So if you haven't watched that video, do well to go back and watch the video. Okay? So images are extremely important on our web page. Pictures, they say, speaks louder than 1,000 words. So if you want to give a very good impression on your website, it is important that you add images on your website. Okay? Now, images are embedded on the tag, the image tag of your website. Now, and it also points to the particular location of that particular image. So to write the image tag, I'm going to type ing and then enter, or I can just type ing, then it have the source equal to, and then we also have the alternate, and then equal, and then I close it up. Images are self-closing tags, so we do not need to have open and close. So in between the source, the src is an attribute. Attribute gives more information in a particular HTML element. Alt, which is for alternate, is also an attribute. I'm going to add other attributes like the width and the height that can adjust the size of the image. So here my images are already in a folder called images, so I'm going to link that, then equal to, so I have cake here as one of the images that is inside the image folder. Then the alternate, I will now write cake photo. Okay, so now let's see how this displays on the browser. Awesome. So as you can see, I have my image on my browser. Okay, so now I want to adjust the width and the size of this image. So I'm going to say width equal to 500, and then height equal to 350. Let me check the browser and see what that gives me. So you can see my image is bigger. Let me reduce it a bit. So I will say this is 300, and I will say this is 400. Check again. Awesome, it's still very big. So you can just adjust it to your liking. Whatever size you want the image to have. Okay, I think I like this size. Awesome. So this is actually the image and how you can add images. Very simple, very straightforward. Okay, so I'm going to do for another one. So if my Visual Studio Code, if I just type img and enter, I have this images. Then let me use cake desserts, and then cake desserts photo. So I'm going to explain this alt. So this alt is actually for screen reader. So it is important that you always add the alts. Screen readers are actually the visually impaired ones, those who usually use softwares to navigate your web pages because they can't see, they are blind, they are visually impaired. So it is important that they cannot see the image like you and I, but they'll be able to know that you have this image on your web page. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then another importance of this alt attribute is the fact that if there is any problem, let's say there is a wrong syntax, let's say spelling error, or network, it could be network, and your images are not loading properly, it's broken. So you now see that we have the description of your image here, cake, dessert, photo. All right, so let me go back and correct that spelling, and boom, I have my image. Perfect. So let me still give it the attributes of width 400. I'll give it the same with the other one, and height of 200. So let's check the browser. Okay, so you can see my beautiful images of my web page. So this is how you can actually add images on your web page. Straightforward, very simple and easy. So this is how far we can come with this particular video. If you got value, please do well to like and subscribe if you enjoy content like this and you want to take your web development level from where you are to the next level. Thanks once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.